Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting a steady, vertical hang point and measuring the spring's unstretched length L0. Once done, attach a precise ruler or caliper aligned with the spring so 0 lines up with the top coil. You then verify the spring has no preload and is free to extend. Next, pick your first known mass, note its weight in newtons or kilograms, and prepare to add it slowly to avoid dynamic oscillation. Make sure readings will be taken after motion settles. You now add the selected mass gently and wait until the spring stops bouncing. This gives a static extension measurement L1. Once settled, read the length again and compute the extension x equals L1 minus L0. Repeat with at least 2 more different masses to confirm linear behavior. After collecting points, translate masses into forces using F equals mg and plot force versus extension. The slope of that straight segment will be the spring constant. This step reveals how extension scales with applied force. You finish by calculating the extension for any applied load using x equals F divided by k, where k is the slope from your plot, or directly report x equals L1 minus L0 for a measured mass. If results deviate, inspect for nonlinear stretch indicating you exceeded the elastic limit, or for measurement error from parallax or movement. As a troubleshooting tip, if readings vary, make sure the ruler is perfectly aligned. Damp residual oscillations, and take several measurements to average out noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.